Hey, what's up, refinance my millionaire brother holder? So what's going on? In this video, I gonna show you to refinance going up on upcoming days or going down. Absolutely fails down or going up. So this is very important for every refinance holder because you understand and you cannot fail. You cannot lose in any crypto market. Absolutely any coin you cannot lose if you understand. And this video what I talk to you. Okay, so understand. Don't skip any second of this video because these 2 minutes as be safe you from lost any lost. Okay, so let's get start the price prediction. But before I get started, I request you please subscribe for latest news and updates. I updating you every hour and every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for subscription, guys. If you can see here, this time Refinance has gone up very good. This time you can see here they take a very bad dump. I know this trick absolutely. In the last 3 year, I have a 3 year experience in crypto market, and I know this point. When they gone very badly falls down, my brothers, they take a very high jump. Absolutely, I am right. You can see here they very fastly gone up. So I think this is a very useful trick. And if you use this trick, if you know this trick, you understand this trick which I taught you. You can see here, then I hope you cannot fail in any cryptocurrency. You cannot lose. Absolutely, you cannot lose, my friend. So this time they gone upward. You can see here, so they totally gone upward, my friends. They totally gone upward. And upcoming days they absolutely gone upward. I guarantee you to they gone up. Refinance has gone up in upcoming days. If you agree with me, then please just like this video. Please just like this video and don't ignore my words. Please don't ignore my words. Subscribe our YouTube channel for this type major tips and tricks. Okay, I update you any cryptocurrency and I guide you, my brothers, freely. You just watch my 2 minutes video. You understand to what's going on in upcoming days. You be safe from lost. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you understand, my brother. To Reef coin is up in upcoming days. Please buy it, hold it, invest, and be and I this is not a financial video to advise you to invest in this. Please research personally and invest. And if you understand to this is good, please research personally. Okay, and invest and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good price. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.